Welcome and namaste. Dear friends, in today's video we will see changing of the guard ceremony of the Queen's Life Guards at the Buckingham Palace. Buckingham Palace is the residence and administrative headquarters of the British monarch in London. Changing of guards is the ceremony where the Queen's guards at the palace on duty hand over responsibilities of the palace to new guards in the next shift. The Queen's Life Guard change daily at 11 a.m. on weekdays and at 10 a.m. on Sundays. Now we are reaching to the main entrance of the Buckingham Palace. You can see there are already few visitors. They have come to see changing of guard ceremony. This is famous Buckingham Palace and you can see flag is flying. It means Queen is inside the palace. The palace is very huge and massive. There are 775 rooms inside, out of which 200 rooms are for staff, 100 rooms are for officers and 19 for state. Additionally, there are banquet rooms and ballrooms. At the center, you will see Victoria Memorial, which was completed in year 1924. It has iconographic sculptures which describe qualities of the Queen such as truth, justice and love for people. Here is my friend Sunita. You can see number of tourists have increased. Now you can see Queen's Life Guards are coming on horse. The Household Cavalry Regiment mounted on groomed horses present a stunning show as they ride through the grounds of Buckingham Palace. Look at this! Smart guards dressed in black tunics and black horses. They're marching so royally. After seeing the parade, we went to see House Guard building. On the way, you can see beautiful gardens around the palace. Palace is spread across 40 acres of land. Massive, and look at these gardens, how beautiful they are. On the way, you can see some government office buildings. Look at this building and the carving on its entrance. Such a beautiful carving. Now we are at another major landmark in London. It is called 10 Downing Street. It is official residence and executive office of the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom. It is 300-year-old building and contains approximately 100 rooms. Prime Minister's residence is on 3rd floor and other floors contain offices, conference rooms and reception halls. And from here, we are now reaching to House Guard building, which is another historical building. House Guards function as a gatehouse giving access between Whitehall and St. James Park via gates on the ground floor. At the entrance, in 2 arches, you will see uniformed lifeguards mounted on horse. This one is the first arch. and in between you will see this bell towered building, and on its top there is a clock which is dating from year 1756. The building houses Household Cavalry Museum, which is open to the public, and here you will see the second arch with a lifeguard on a horse. Hope you enjoyed watching iconic ceremony of changing of horse guards at royal residence in London. We get to see glimpse of royal splendor and richness. If you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel Around the World Desi Pardesi and click on bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. Stay tuned. See you soon. Yes, Desi Pardesi.